Now I just happen to have an electrical duplex outlet just like this that I'm going to be replacing. And why am I going to be replacing it, you might add? This electrical outlet is still working, so what gives? Why am I going to be replacing it with this one? Well, see this? I got like a paper napkin right under it. Now see, when you plug it in, see how this thing tilts? I think the reason why it's tilting like that is because this electrical outlet has been used. This condo is over 15 years old, and this one probably has been used by people to vacuum. If you've noticed, that's the only electrical outlet down low in this area to hook up a vacuum. Granted, there's an electrical outlet back there, but I'm not going to move that every time I need to plug in the vacuum. Okay, this is the plug that's nice for everybody to use for the last 15 years, plug in a vacuum. And after time, these little tines in here get kind of worn, and then it gets loose. Now see how this is like this? And if you leave these things like this, see how this is kind of going down at an angle? What happens is there's a wick in there. That little brown thing in there is a wick, and it soaks the liquid up into here. This heats it, and it sets on top of this top base, and then the aroma comes out into the air. Well, if you have it at a slight angle, you get some stuff up here. It has a tendency to have this liquid come down and collect on the bottom of this, and what do you suppose it does? It drips.